If you're planning a trip in 2026, you've probably seen Allianz Travel Insurance while booking flights or hotels because, honestly, it's one of the most well-known travel insurance companies in the world. But the real question is Allianz actually worth it? Or is it just a big brand with mixed results? So in this video, we're going to break down Allianz Travel Insurance in 2026, what it offers, the pros, the cons, and whether you should actually use it for your next trip. First, what is Allianz Travel Insurance? Allianz is a global insurance company that offers travel protection plans for things like trip cancellations, medical emergencies abroad, lost baggage, and travel delays. It's used by millions of travelers every year and has a strong international presence. Now let's talk about the biggest advantage: coverage and reliability. Because, honestly, this is where Allianz stands out. They offer different plans, depending on your trip. From basic protection to more complete coverage, that includes medical emergencies and cancellations. And many users choose it because of the brand reputation and global support network. Now another strong point: medical coverage and assistance, because if something goes wrong while traveling, you get access to emergency assistance services and hospital support in many countries. This is one of the main reasons people buy travel insurance in the first place. Now, let's talk about claims, because this is where opinions start to split. Some users report very smooth experiences with fast reimbursements and simple claim submissions, especially for things like flight delays or lost luggage. But other users report issues like long documentation processes, delays in approvals, and strict requirements for claims. And honestly, this is common across many large insurance companies. Now, let's talk about pricing, because Allianz is not the cheapest option you're paying for. Brand reliability, global coverage, and customer support infrastructure. But depending on your trip, cheaper alternatives might offer similar coverage. Now another important factor: plan differences, because not all Allianz plans are the same. Some basic plans may include limited cancellation coverage, while higher-tier plans offer stronger medical and trip protection. So choosing the right plan matters a lot. Now let's be honest for a second. Allianz is not perfect. Even though it has strong financial ratings and global reach, some users complain about slow claim processing, heavy paperwork, and inconsistent support experiences. But at the same time, many travelers still trust it because of its long history and scale. Now, who is Allianz best for? It's ideal for people who want a well-known global insurer, are traveling internationally, need solid medical coverage, and prefer established companies over unknown providers. Now, who might not like it? If you want the cheapest insurance, very fast claims with minimal paperwork, or ultra-simple policies, then you might want to compare alternatives before buying. So to wrap this up, Allianz Travel Insurance in 2026 is a legitimate and widely used insurance provider, strong in global coverage and medical assistance, but sometimes criticized for claim complexity and paperwork. Because honestly, it's not about whether it's good or bad, it's about whether it fits your travel style and risk level. So before buying, always compare your options carefully and choose the plan that actually matches your trip needs.